Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tesh Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like always, today's video is going to be very useful and very informative. So please watch the video till end and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to support and motivate me so as to bring you far more useful and far more uh, informative videos in future as well. So my dear students, without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So my dear students, as you know very well that we have started a series of MCQs. So the chapter which we have started is reproduction, and today's video is going to be the second video of this chapter. So the please watch the video till end. And the first question which we have taken is uh, reproduction is essential for living organisms in order to, first option is keep the individual organism alive, second option is to fulfill their energy requirements, C is to maintain growth, and D is to continue the species forever. So my dear students, here the correct option is D, that is to continue the species forever. So my dear students, always remember that reproduction is why reproduction is essential. This is essential for living organisms in order to continue the species forever. Question number 2. A simple multicellular organism having tentacles which lives in fresh water usually reproduces by the asexual process of, first option is binary fission, B is sponge formation, C is budding, and D is fragmentation. So my dear students, here the multicellular organism having tentacles is actually hydra, which lives in fresh water. So hydra, always remember, reproduces by budding. So C is the correct option. Question number 3. One of the following does not reproduce by spore formation method. This is first option is rhizopus fungus, B is penicillium fungus, C is yeast fungus, and D is mucor fungus. So here the correct option is yeast fungus, that is C. So my dear students, always remember that rhizopus fungus, penicillium fungus, and mucor fungus. So these species actually reproduce by spore formation, but yeast fungus does not reproduce by spore formation. So please remember this. My dear students, our next question is question number 4. One of the following reproduces by forming spores. This is, first option is ferron, B is planaria, C is spirogyra, this is spirogyra, D is potato. So my dear students, here the correct option is A, that is ferron. So my dear students, always remember that ferron reproduces by forming spores, and planaria, spirogyra, and potatoes, these do not reproduce by spore formation. So please remember this. Question number 5. Asexual reproduction through budding takes place in, first amoeba and yeast, second yeast and hydra, third hydra and plasmodium, fourth corals and sponges. So my dear students, budding, sexual reproduction through budding takes place in yeast and hydra and corals and sponges. So second and fourth are the correct options. So actually D is the correct option here, because D has second and fourth option. Question number 6. One of the following organisms doesn't reproduce by fission. This is, first option is amoeba, B is Leishmania, C is planaria, and D is Plasmodium. So my dear students, always remember that amoeba, leishmania and Plasmodium, so they reproduce by fission, and planaria doesn't reproduce by fission. So C is the correct option. My dear students, our next question is question number 7. A feature of reproduction that is common to amoeba, yeast and bacterium is that first option is they all are multicellular, B is they all are unicellular, C they reproduce only sexually, D they reproduce asexually. So my dear students, here the correct option is D, that the common feature uh, to amoeba, yeast and bacterium is that they reproduce asexually. So D is the correct option. Question number 8. An organism which may be considered as plant reproduces by budding is first option is paramecium, second is bread mold, C is hydra and D is yeast. So my dear students, always remember that yeast is considered to be plant which reproduces by budding. So D is the correct option. Question number 9, last question but not the least. An animal which reproduces by the process of budding is. Now my dear students, in our question number 8 there was plant actually. Now we have animal which reproduces by the process of budding is Plasmodium, B is yeast, C is hydra and D is planaria. So my dear students, here the plant which reproduces by the process of budding is hydra. So C is the correct option. So my dear students, this is all for today. I hope that the questions which we have discussed in the video, you understood them all very well. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching our channel, keep learning and keep growing. Good luck.